Hello, welcome back to Miss Carla's classroom. Do you remember the letter Z? Well, this sound has two of them. Two Zs together. They also make the sound Z. Let's practice saying that sound now. Z, Z, Z. So whenever you see two of them next to each other, you just say Z. There is a Z sound in all of these words. The noise a bee makes. B-a-z. Buzz. When you put sausages on a barbecue, they might sizzle. S-i-z-l. Sizzle. Have you done a puzzle before? P-a-z-l. Puzzle. Here is a picture of a grizzly bear. G-r-i-z-l-e. Grizzly. There is a type of music called jazz music. J-a-z. Jazz. And here are some fizzy drinks, not very good for your teeth. F-i-z-e. Fizzy. Can you think of any other Z words? Remember, this sound has not one but two of them in it. We can practice writing the Z letter twice. Zig, zag, zig. Zig, zag, zig. It's the same. Let's practice writing it now on some paper. Make sure they're nice and close together because they're friends. Zig, zag, zig. Zig, zag, zig. Here are your three words to write. Buzz. The bee began to buzz. Buzz. Jazz. My dad likes jazz music. Jazz. And fizz. The drink began to fizz. Buzz. Jazz. Fizz. Did you remember to write the letter Z twice in all of your words? Let's see. B-a-z. Buzz. J-a-z. Jazz. F-i-z. Fizz. Wow, that Z sound is at the end of all of those words. I hope you haven't forgotten any of the letters and sounds I've already taught you. Let's practice them. D, V, W, K, Z, A, J, G, R, H, M, And here is the sound from today. Z. Super! Fantastic! Brilliant work today. I'll see you next time. Bye!